So show me your tire iron again.
Well, if you get a flat tire, where is it? I have a CO2 and a little adapter.
Yeah.
It works pretty good.
And you got a really awesome tire iron, right?
Yeah. If that fails, we'll use this.
You know, it's classic that it's a plastic spoon. It's even better that it's pink.
Like, who would carry that on their bike?
I'm sure there was some reason you had it, right?
I don't know.
On your left.
Don't go on that side, go on that side.
Right on, dude.
Hey, I'll help us here in a second. Unscrew a little bit more and then so that pulls under. Okay, now straighten it. Is that tight enough?
Yeah, now I think we can probably redo your endpoint adjustments, because now it's probably going to try to come off.
Well, here, let's check it out.
All right, one more. There it is.
Got them all.
Excellent.
Excellent.
There you go. Yeah, that's kind of typical of me to not do those kind of adjustments in the comfort of a garage. I always wait till we just climb the gnarliest hill and then do it on the trail.
I knew that I had a problem. I just didn't know where it was. I found it though.
Yeah. Ah!
John.
Yeah. Ah. I think I'm gonna vomit now.
Really?
Yeah, I might. That was.
That's a good push, John. Your legs are beefcakes.
No, they're pretty wore out, man. My lungs are shit though. gear down for the climb out. Yeah, I did the same thing. Oh, you all right?
Locked in.
Yeah.
I gotta get those pedals, man.
The advantage is you're not locked in. The disadvantage is you lose a lot of that pedaling power.
Up power, yeah.
Man, I perform so much better going uphill whenever I'm using clipless. But I do not like being that committed to being on my bike. I like being able to bail when I can.
I'm having to laugh at myself, you know?
Hey.
Because so many things are falling apart, and it's comical that I can't do what I did.
You're doing great today, man. This is awesome. Oh shit! Oh, that was a hard hit. You all right?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Here. Oh shit, you're really right in there.
Pissed more than anything.
You're gonna have a nice bruise like I had when I dropped my bike. I got a big old cherry right here, man.
I don't care. As long as I'm not broken, boned, or bleeding to death.
You'll be fine. You're doing a fantastic job on these climbs, man.
I'm old looking.
It don't matter, dude. You're doing a great job on these climbs. If you were riding on a regular basis, I would not be able to keep up with you.
Yeah, well, thank you. I appreciate that.
You're doing great. You got some pretty spectacular crashes too.
You got them on video?
Yeah.
The way I see it, if you're not leaking, you're not living. So I'm leaking.
Oh man, let me see it. Oh yeah.
If you're not leaking, you're not living.
Yeah, you've donated your fair share today.
Minutes and that's it.
Is it counting up?
Nope, 31. 1 hour 31.
Huh, let me see.
It doesn't have seconds going. You're gonna have a good face shot of me. Okay, the question is, who's uglier on film, you or me?
Oh, me for sure, especially with my crazy hair. Yeah. No, actually, we're doing pretty good. The battery's almost dead, so we got like a full hour and a half
I'm
with
not
riding.
gonna have a bruise on my hip. I'm gonna have a bruise on my leg.
It looked like you fell on that pointed rock. That's what looked so cringing, because there was a pointed rock right there. You must have just missed it. I'm sure if you fell on it, you would have felt it.
That's because I got no ass. I got no ass. It's so skinny. It slid right between the rocks. All right. Okay, Johnny says he wants a post-ride interview, and the thing is right when it hung up before, we were talking about my skinny ass missing the rock, which basically means the end.
Oh, yeah.
You got to go out that way and then hang a right.
That way and hang a right.
Yeah, we're going to drive back through the neighborhood.
I'm going to get a king of the mountain if I don't stop this Strava.
What's king of the mountain?
That means I got the fastest time on this road because we're driving in the truck. So roughly we rode about 5 miles, but the last 0.6 miles I'm going to get a king of the mountain, I'm sure. So go straight?
Yeah, go straight.
Yeah, I was recording on Strava. Forgot to turn it off. I got a lot of high records that way by not turning it off, getting in the car and driving home. So that was Mission Trails Regional Park?
That's Mission Trails Regional Park.
Those are fun trails.
Yeah, the trail was pretty good.
Those uphills are brutal.
I don't like doing the trails uphill because I don't have the the stamina to do that anymore.
Like the technical single track uphills? Yeah, I don't either. I never have. I'll still attempt it every once in a while when I'm feeling a little froggy, but you know, those are usually the ones where I have those slow, awkward injury kind of falls, because I'll try to put my foot down and I'll miss something. How'd your gears work the rest of the time?
Fine. Works great. Thank you very much. I needed that other
Awesome. Well, we are back. We're back from Mission Trails, San Diego.
Back in the USSR.
It was an awesome ride. I threw up in my mouth.
He called it, I call it breakfast.
Yeah, what would you refer to that as?
It's like cows, they regurgitate their food.
So I had a cow breakfast.
You had a cow breakfast?
I had a cow breakfast. You tried to be I've done research on this. Someone who studies dirt and rocks and soil is a combination of a geopedologist. So you're a geopedologist now. You were taking some dirt samples.
I was getting dirt samples,
which is impressive. I'm usually the one getting dirt samples, but I passed the torch to you today. You took some dirt samples, but you killed it on the hills, so that was amazing.
I didn't kill it on the hills.
Killed me on the hills.
The rocks killed me, but like I said, you're not living unless you're leaking. Are you leaking?
I'm not. Well,
you're not living.
I regurgitated a little bit. That doesn't
cow
count.
Breakfast. Okay, yeah. Cow breakfast, leaking. We both survived.
All right, peace. Out. Right her up.